Welcome to my channel. How to set up Verizon 5G Home Internet. Unbox the Verizon 5G Home Internet Kit, which includes the 5G router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and setup guide. Place the router near a window where the 5G signal is likely strongest. This helps the router receive a better signal for optimal performance. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to an outlet. Ensure the power button is pressed and wait for the indicator lights to turn on. On your smartphone, download the My Verizon app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for setting up and managing your 5G home internet. Open the My Verizon app and log in with your Verizon account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. The app will guide you through the initial setup steps. It will prompt you to scan the QR code on the router to begin the configuration process. The app will help you find the best signal by showing signal strength in real time. Move the router slightly if needed to get the best possible 5G connection. Once the router is set up, the app will display your Wi-Fi network name, SID, and password. Use this information to connect your devices to the 5G home network. Run a speed test using the My Verizon app or a third-party app to verify that the 5G connection is strong and delivering expected speeds. Use the app to set up additional features such as guest Wi-Fi, parental controls, and security settings to customize your home network according to your needs. Thank you for watching.